Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. Today, I'm going to walk you through some simple but powerful tips for maximizing your efficiency when building beautiful websites in Wix Studio. If you've ever felt stuck repeating the same design steps, this quick tutorial will show you how to streamline your workflow and reuse your favorite layouts with just a few clicks. By the end, you'll be zipping through your projects with fresh confidence, building faster without sacrificing quality. Let's dive right in. First off, we're going to build a flexible two-column section, which is a great starting point for lots of different page designs. Find the spot on your site where you want to add something new, and add a two-column section. This layout gives you a nice balanced area to showcase visual content on one side and text or calls to action on the other. Think about how you see products featured or services highlighted on professional sites. Now, let's bring your section to life visually. Head over to the Media tab and upload or pick an image. Add it to one of the columns. Images instantly draw in visitors, so choose something that captures attention, tells a story, or simply fits your brand vibe. Here's where a small design touch makes a big difference. Click on the image and find the corner radius settings. Curving the image corners softens the overall look, makes things feel modern, and can help your visuals blend naturally with other rounded elements on your page. Don't worry if you've never tried this before. The slider or input lets you set just how rounded you want it, so experiment until it feels right. Next, let's add a headline text above or beside the image. This will grab the user's attention and set the tone for the content in this section. Think of it like the subject line in an email or the title of a news article. It should be clear and concise. Click Add Text, type your headline, and then adjust the font size, color, and spacing to suit your brand style. Underneath, add a paragraph text element. This is your chance to give a little more detail or context, maybe a short explanation of a service, a testimonial, or a product description. Don't rush here. A well-written paragraph makes your site feel professional and engaging. After the text, you'll want to add a button. This is your call to action. It might say, "Learn more," "Shop now," or "Contact us." Buttons are key for guiding visitors to take the next step. So place it where it's easy to find but not overpowering. You can tweak the button size, color, and label to match your theme and ensure it stands out. Here's an important efficiency boost. At this stage, check how your design looks not just on desktop, but also on tablet and mobile views. Wix Studio lets you toggle between these device previews at the top of the builder. Sometimes elements can shift around on smaller screens, which is totally normal. If you see anything you want to fix, maybe a text block wraps awkwardly or an image looks too small, go ahead and adjust those specifics in the mobile or tablet view. It only takes a moment and make sure that everyone gets a great experience, whatever device they're on. When you're happy, switch back to desktop view. Now, here's where the real-time savings happen. Right-click the section you just built and select Save as Asset. This handy move saves your custom layout and design as a reusable block. Next time you need a similar section, maybe for another page or a different part of your site, it's ready to go in your assets library. No need to rebuild from scratch. This trick is a game changer, especially if you're creating multiple similar sections or templates for clients. Don't be shy to repeat these steps a couple of times with other layouts or combinations. The more you save as assets, the quicker you'll be able to build out entire sites, and you'll start feeling way more organized and efficient. And that wraps up this demo. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to save time in Wix Studio, give this video a thumbs up. Got questions or want more tricks? Drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe to Wix Fix for even more easy tutorials and expert advice. Thanks for watching and happy building.